CZ P07. I've yet to handle one of these or shoot it, so we'll see what it's all about. That wasn't the one I was aiming for, but I'll take it. The top one. There we go. Hey, I'll take this one too. I like it. It's not too snappy. It's snappy. I would just have to run it a lot and get used to that trigger. There's a lot of take up, and then it's a very crisp break. I'll give it that. It's a very crisp, but I'm not used to that. It's a good thing for sure. But overall, first impressions is I dig it. I don't have huge mitts, but I do have long fingers, and I can still nicely grip the mag well. So thanks for letting me shoot it, brother. Beep. That was fucking cool. We have the Beretta M9. I have shot this before. I love this gun. I will one day. Spaghetti Gats just they do something to my soul. Still getting used to the safety feature. If it's on safe, you can cock it, but it'll just fall back forward, which is neat. It's different. Glock 44. Never shot one of these before. Never even seen one of these in person before. This is all polymer except for like this lower shelf down here. Super light. It feels like a toy. Whoa, that's weird.
A little high.
A little high?
Yep.
That's cool. I want to get one of these now.
I know, right?
I want to get one of these now because you're still getting the overall impression of a Glock. The trigger's basically the same.
Exact same size as a Glock 19.
Yeah, the pull, the weight is very similar. The trigger weight, I mean, but it's not snappy. Yeah, this is freaking cool, man. Yeah, that's badass. Yeah, I'm not counting.
Yeah.
Numbers are hard. I'm just going to go on every right foot lift. Step.
Okay.
Foot lift. Why did I say step weird?
Foot lift? Did you say
Lift.
foot lift?
I said every right foot lift.
Yeah.
So step. What?
Yeah, that's
All right.
normal people call it step. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't, yeah.
He has autism.
Please be patient.
Optimism?
I tried to go on my first right foot. That was not happening. And that, do you just keep moving?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shoot, and then walk forward.
That's so hard. Up. Pew. Up. Up.
Start having my
Beep.
here as soon as I get that.
Up.
Oh, yes, sir.
So big.
So big.
Oh.